Hi everyone, this is Taha, and in this video I'll show you how you can connect your Notion's secret key to make.com. So for example, if we are in Make, let's add another module of Notion and get a maybe database item. But for that, I need to add another connection, and connection type would be Notion internal, and then I would need to add an internal integration token. But let me just add a connection name which could be Notion 26 April, right? And if you have a new account, you can go into notion.so, then profile/integrations, press enter, and then you have to go to new integrations, maybe select associated workplace. In this case, it's my Notion account, and then the type should be internal, and then click save. Oh, sorry. Okay. So it could be make.com integration, right? Then save. Okay. So configure integration settings, and then we have got the internal integration secret key, and you can change the content capabilities, comment capabilities, and user capabilities. But I just need to, copy this key, and you have to, either you can refresh it or just show, and then copy this and go back to make.com and then paste this internal key. And now you have connected your connected your Notion account successfully. But there's another step, a crucial step, that you need to add a database ID. For example, if you add a database ID, it will not work. So for that, let me just go back to my Notion account and create a database first, maybe a testing make.com integration, right? And then I will create a database, and let's add maybe a task tracker here and get started, and then done. So we have a task tracker, and I want this task tracker to connect with Make. So now I will click on these three dots and then go to connections and then search for your connection, which is make.com integration. And once I will confirm this, now the connection has been established, and now I can enter the database ID, which is the first. The first section before question mark and V. You have to start and go backward, and from slash till question mark, this is your database ID, and you have to enter this and then click save. So now this is successfully connected. Let me just delete this module as well, and connect Notion, watch database items, and then proceed with another Notion 26 April, and then watch created items. I will paste the same database ID, and then it will search. And now I will, maybe just, for example, if I add another test task here, and it's in progress, due date would be today's, and medium bug, and then once this is saved, I will fetch this by running this module only. And now you can see I have received the output, which is created by user, edited by parent, due date, priority, medium priority, status, in progress, description, task type, task name, update help center FAQ. Let me just check. Update help center FAQ, right? Okay. So I think we have got all the properties here, as you can see, and this is done now and successfully connected. Now you can proceed with doing anything with Notion on your make scenario. So if this video helped you, do like, and I'll see you in a bit. Thank you.